In this video, we'll go over how canceled orders affect your Shopify reporting and walk through solutions you can implement. First, let's cover some context. When an order is canceled in Shopify, that order becomes crossed out in your order list. However, it may still be counted in your reporting. For example, if you're using Cleverifix Edit Order, you'll notice that when it cancels your original order and creates a duplicate, both that original order and the duplicate are calculated into your reporting. Because of this, your total sales numbers will double even though you aren't actually making any additional sales. This issue may not be a problem for you. According to Shopify, when you cancel an order, it should appear as a sale for that day and a return for the day that it was canceled, zeroing out that order overall. But if you're having issues with canceled orders in your reports for any reason, here are some solutions. Before you start, note that this option is only available for Shopify's Advanced Plan or higher. If you've confirmed that you're on an eligible plan, navigate to Dashboards under Analytics in your Shopify admin. Click View Report in the Total Sales section. Here, I'm going to set my date range to today, and set my columns so that the orders appear by order name. According to these settings, all orders made today will appear, including canceled orders. To change this, click Manage Filters. Using the Select Filter search bar, choose Canceled. Check that Is selected, and then use the second search bar to select No. Finally, click Apply Filters. This will filter canceled orders out of your reports, and your sales numbers should now be accurate. If you run into more issues, however, there is another option. If you're not on Shopify's Advanced Plan or higher, or the previous solution doesn't fix your numbers for any other reason, you can always perform a manual export. Navigate back to Orders in your Shopify admin and choose Export in the top right corner. You can export the current page, all orders, or orders by date. Then, filter your orders in a separate spreadsheet program to easily and accurately keep track of your numbers. And that's it. If you have more questions about filtering your Shopify reports, check the link in the description. And if you have questions about Edit Order, feel free to reach out to us at support@editorder.net. We're always here to help.